Welcome to crypto coin mining. Recently, we have heard many negative news about Bitcoin from bank officials, political leaders, and news channels. By looking at this Bitcoin USD chart, you might be thinking, shall I sell or hold the Bitcoin? If you ask me the question, are you going to sell or keep your Bitcoin? My answer is I am still in bullish mind and looking for the buy opportunities. Here is my technical analysis why and where I want to buy Bitcoin. First thing I would like to mention that I am a swing trader. That means I use weekly chart for the bigger picture analysis. When I looked first time this Bitcoin USD chart, I found few things. First thing is that we are close to 20,000. 20,000 is the round number. Round number plays significant role in uptrend. And the second thing is that we are close to 2017 ending. That means if you see these red candles, perhaps these all people are taking profit now. The third thing is that if you look from this point to the left, we don't have any history. And the fourth thing is that this is making the parabolic move up. That means many people who want to buy Bitcoin are left over because most of the professional people, they wait and look for the pullback. For example, this we are in the up, it became pullback, so people started to buy, then it went up. Then from that time, it went up and up and up. So most of the traders are looking for the pullback. I use daily chart to identify the trend. By looking at this chart, it is making higher high. That means we are clearly in the uptrend. Many traders say that trend is your friend. So we need to look for the buy opportunity based on daily chart. I use 240-minute or 4-hour chart to enter the trade. We know that a smaller trend exists within the large trend. What I mean that if we look this weekly chart, we are in the uptrend. If we make daily chart, we are still in the uptrend. But if you click 15-minute chart, it shows that we are in the downtrend. From bigger picture, we know that we want to buy. And in 4-hour chart, we are looking for the entry point. The best buy is pullback because it's a low risk and high reward. For example, it was going up, pullback. If you are buying in here, then you have more profit. Same, it was going up, pullback, you buy here, and it is going up. Similarly, in this place, pullback. For me, buy points are those points where demand and supply get imbalanced. Perhaps you might be thinking how to find this demand and supply imbalance points. It is very easy. When demand and supply get imbalanced, it creates series of red or blue color candles. For example, in here, you can see many blue candles. This is the first imbalance. You can see the second imbalance here. It creates series of blue candles. Third imbalance happen here and fourth imbalance happen here. When there are majority of different color candles together, it is called equilibrium place. For the uptrend, these demand and supply imbalance points supported by other indicators such as moving average, CCI will be the best place to buy. Looking at this chart, we can say that this is the first imbalance, this is the second imbalance, this is the third imbalance, and this is the fourth imbalance. So these points are the potential buy points. If you put the moving average 200 period and moving average 100 period SMA, reduced to our entry chart, which is 240. Now we are in the daily chart. This 100 period moving average falls in our buying zone. That means this zone is supported by moving average. The second zone is supported by 200 period moving average. And if you put the Bollinger Band, looking at the past data, here the price was touching the lower Bollinger Band, then it went up. Again it touched the lower Bollinger Band, it went up. Again it touched, it went up. This means we are in the lower Bollinger Band at the moment. Bollinger Band also supports this can be the potential buy point. Although this is one of the good buy point, one of the drawback of this point is that if you make weekly or daily, it is high in the curve. That means it is less potential for the profit. That is the reason I am looking for lower point to buy. For me, my buy point is this one, starting from 12,500 to 13,500, and second buy point is 10,000. At last, I am not a financial advisor. These levels are based on my analysis. There is no guarantee that these levels will be successful. Consult to the expert financial advisor before involving in crypto trading. It is extremely volatile. Thank you for watching this video.